Alright guys, what we're looking at today is a 36-inch Casablanca Lady Delta ceiling fan installed in our spare bedroom. This will be being replaced soon, hopefully, with something better, so stay tuned for that. Some people really hate this combination I did. It did not come with this turtle fitter, but it's something I thought would look decent at least, and I'm happy with it, especially since I found my gallery glass. This is what was on before. They're all faded and ugly. So, yeah. Here's the light. This is a newer one, so it's got an XLP. And it's quote-unquote not as good as the K55, but I'd say it's about even. Here's low. Oh yeah, and if anyone wants to date it, focus. I'll get a picture of it. If anyone wants to date it. But yeah, it's a cute little fan. I pulled it out of the Habitat dumpster for $10, along with two other Victorians. One of them is probably an 80s Victorian because it has a W11 and glossy oak blades, antique brass. And the other one has normal oak blades, XLP motor, no mounting, no control. So that's fun. But everything else is there. Here's medium. This thing is a beast, especially for the size of this room. It's like probably the perfect size, actually. Could be in a smaller room, but you know. And we'll go to high. This thing is a powerhouse. Works great. Alright, hope you guys enjoyed. Stay tuned for what's to come next.